Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change Gmail into dark mode. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your account. In the top right corner of the screen, click on the gear icon. From here, scroll down until you find the option called Theme. Click on View All. Scroll through the available themes and select the Dark Theme option. Click on Save. The dark theme will be applied to your Gmail interface. Gmail will immediately switch to dark mode, making the interface easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. If you want to switch back to light mode later, repeat the same steps and choose a different theme. And that's it. We just learned how to enable dark mode in Gmail by changing the theme from the settings menu. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.